HEF4012, CD4012, MC14012, CMOS IC, dual 4 input NAND gate, 14 pin IC, AND gate followed by an inverter. We will see its pinout, its function. We will test it practically. Let's get started. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are visiting first time, I will invite you to subscribe it. Pin 2 input, 3 input, 4 input, 5 input. Pin number 1 output. This is one gate. Second gate, that is independent within the same IC. Pin number 9 input, 10, 11, 12. Pin 13 output. Power supply pins. Pin number 14 VDD supply pin, 3 volt to 18 volt. Recommended power supply 15 volt operation. I will use 5 volt for this demonstration and practical testing. Pin number 7 VSS. This is positive supply pin and this is return path, or we can say it is ground. Pin number 6 and 8 not connected. If we see its Boolean operation, if we give name A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, these are inputs. You can give any name. Just to demonstrate function, Y output and this is Z output. If we say AND gate, AND will provide A dot, B dot, C dot, D. That is this point. After inverter, the output will be inverted. So result will Y is equal to, output is equal to A dot, B dot, C dot, D bar. Same here. E input, F dot, G dot, H, E dot, F dot, G dot, H bar. Inverted function. That means if all inputs are high, the output will low. If all inputs are high, either this channel or this channel, respective output will low, because we have NAND function. When we say AND function, when all inputs are high, output will high, but inverter will invert the function, so we will receive low output. If any input is low or all inputs are low, the output will high. Let's suppose any one, the output will high. All inputs are low, the output will high. We have 4 inputs. Possible combinations 2 raised power 4, that is 2n method. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 8, 16. 16 possible logical combinations to the inputs. We can provide 16 possible inputs, just only one category, that is all inputs are high, output will low. Otherwise, anyone or all inputs are low, the output will high. When we connect power supply, it is best way to connect a decoupling capacitor between pin number 14 and pin number 7, value 100 nanofarad, 0.1 microfarad. That is decoupling capacitor between positive supply rail and negative supply rail, and that capacitor must be connected to closest point to the IC. Let's connect it practically. I placed this IC on project board. Here is cut mark, index mark. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Pin number 6 not connected, 7 ground. Pin 8 not connected, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 inputs, 5th output, and this is power supply pin. Same here, output 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are from pin number 2, 3, 4, 5. Inputs pin number 6 not connected. To indicate the inputs and output, we will connect 1 kilo ohm resistor with LED. We will prepare 4 sets of this combination. This point will be connected to one input, second set to the second input, third to the third, fourth, 4 sets. And here we will swap supply line or return path. It will indicate the input condition. Same at output, we will connect one resistor, one LED, ground. To demonstrate the function, I will use one gate, either this or this. Pin 1 output, 1 kilo ohm resistor to the LED anode, cathode is grounded. And now we will connect positive supply at pin number 14. Pin number 7 to the return path. We will connect 4 LEDs. This will go to 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin number 5. LED anode, cathode, resistor second side. It is connected to pin number 5. This point will be connected as input signal. We will connect here positive or negative. I connected input signal at pin number 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin number 1 is output. Positive supply here. Return here. And we will make jumper from return to the low side return. So rails are connected to each other. Let's connect power. Here is positive rail and this is negative rail. I will inject 5 volt power supply. Yes, this is positive. Always take care for the polarity of the voltage. As we discussed, when all inputs are low, the output is high. This time we have all inputs low. These LEDs are off. These are indicating the input. All inputs are low. As we discussed here, any one input is low or all inputs are low, the output will high. We have all inputs low. This is first condition. The output is high. Let's suppose one input becomes high. Still the output is high. If two inputs are high, the output is still high. Three inputs are high, the output is high. 4 inputs, all inputs are high, the output is low. This is its main role. It will ensure when all inputs are high, then it will provide low signal. It can be used as a reset or different operations. It will verify when all inputs are high, then it will provide low signal. Any one becomes low, any one input is low, the output is high. It is condition that all inputs are high, it will provide low output. This is function of 4 input NAND gate. When we say dual, that means we have 2 gates. 16 possible input combinations that we can provide to this IC. If you want to test it, just we will shift these inputs to this channel, this gate, and output here. We can test this section as well. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.